Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin impact not responding problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do is easy, just go to settings and then apps. Now type here background apps, and that's it. You will find it like that. All you need to do, just turn it off and go back, right click on your desktop and go to NVIDIA control panel. Now once you're here, go to use my preference, move it to performance, and then click apply and go back. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.